absolute value graph and how to write absolute value equation. So general idea of absolute value equation in transformation way will be y equal to a absolute value x minus h plus k. And this form is a start from the parent function of absolute value y equal to absolute value x, and we'll make a table for absolute value to start with -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Absolute value of -2 will be 2. Absolute value -1 will be 1, 0, 1, 2. So if I graph it, 0, 0, 1, 2, going to the other direction with a negative. So the graph will be like this. And then the other ways like that. And for the equation, it is now will be, it move 2 to the right, so h will be 2, k will be -4, a will be 1. A represent the vertical stretch or shrink. It didn't stretch or shrink at all. And h means move to the right, left. It move right 2, and k means move up or down, so it move down 4. And if it move right 2, h has a 2, move right 2 means x value changing to the right 2. So you have to add 2 to the right 2 for x. So I will rewrite this value as a x plus 2. So -2 plus 2 will be 0. -1 plus 2 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then y value move down 4. So y value down 4 means y minus 4. So you find the y minus 4 to the table. 2 minus 4, -2. 1 minus 4, -3. -4. 1 minus 4, -3, -2. So the 0, 0 vertex, original vertex, become a 2, -4. So start from 2, -4 here to the right side. And then left side. Like that. And then next one. For this value, a value is a -2, and then h value is a 0, and k value is a 3. Means the negative value here reflect over x-axis, and then it move vertical stretch by 2 and move up 3. All these 3 transformation apply to the y value. It will change y value. So original parent function as a -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. Only y value you will change it to, you multiply by -2 to the y value, and then move up means you add 3. So -2 means -4 plus 3, -1. -2 times 1, -2 plus 3 will be 1. 0 plus 3, 3. -2 times 1, -2 plus 3 will be 1. And then -2 times 2, -4 plus 3 will be -1. So the new function 0, 0 become a 0, 3. So 0, 3 as a new parent function's vertex, and -1, 1. And then -2 with a -1. Like that. So the graph goes like that. like that. And if we try to find the domain, or absolute value graph will be domain as a all real number. Remember, negative infinity to infinity will be domain for absolute value. For this open downward absolute value graph, specifically the range will be, they have a maximum. So the y value will be from negative infinity to maximum as a 3. So 3 included. That's a range. And the next one, graph looks like a value as a 1/2, and then it move -4 and down 1. Since the transformation function will be ax minus h plus k, you have to express as a negative h, but this one has x plus 4, so h value should be -4. And from the original parent function of absolute value, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, with a 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, a value vertical shrink by 1/2, and then move left 4, and then down 1. These two value, vertical shrink by 1/2 and down 1, will affect to the y value. So we'll find y value as a 1/2 y minus 1. So half of the 2 will be 1 minus 1, 0. Half of the 1/2 minus 1. So -1/2. And 0 minus 1, -1. 1/2 times 1, which is 1/2 minus 1, will be -1/2. 2 times 1/2 will be 1, and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So, and then x value, it moved left 4, so you have to find the x minus 4. -2 minus 4, -6. -1 minus 4, -5. 0 minus 4, -4. 1 minus 4, -3. 2 minus 4, -2. So the 0, 0 vertex become a -4 and -1. Since it moved left 4, down 1. -4, -1 here. And -5, -1/2. And then here. And then -6, 0 here. And then another one here. So graph looks like and then here. Like that. And then this graph is since open upward, always the domain will be all real number for any absolute value graph. And then the range will be, it has a minimum as a -1. So it will be -1 to infinity. And if it is given as a graph, and they're asking for absolute value inequality equations, then we need to find the vertex first. Vertex will be 3, 1, and then find the slope. So from here to here, going to this direction, it is open upward. Means a value should be positive, and then find the slope. It goes up 3 and to the right 3, up 3 to the left 3. So a value, the slope will be 3/3, which means 1. So we can say y equal to a, absolute value x minus h plus k value, a as a 1. So y equal to 1 with the absolute value x minus going to hk as a vertex, x minus 3 plus 1. We don't have to write 1 as a number, so y equal to, cancel the number, x minus 3 plus 1. This is the absolute value equation from the given graph. And then this one, we have a vertex at 0, -2, and then it's open downward. That means the a value is a negative, and find the slope. It goes down 3, 2 to the right or left. So slope will be down 3, negative 3 over 2. So this is going to be a value. And write down the equation y equal to negative 3 over 2, absolute value x minus 0 minus 2. But we don't have to write x minus 0 since it doesn't have any changing, moving to the right, left. We can just write down as a negative 3 over 2, absolute value x minus 2. That's how you write the absolute value equation from the given